Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, ma'am. My name is Angelia Alcalde, 34 years old. We are with my husband is a private employee. We have 3 kids, 15 years old boy, 13 years old girls, and 12 years old boy. I live in Barangay Pao, Zaraga, Iloilo.
And what is your highest educational attainment?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Are you also the one taking care of your 3 children since their birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And who will take care of your children if you work abroad?
My sisters and my husband, ma'am.
Do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am, but I work here in the Philippines as domestic helpers for almost 3 years. They are couple with 3 kids. They are newborn, 1 and 2 years old, ma'am.
And what are your duties?
My duties are taking care of the baby, cleaning, washing, and ironing of the clothes and cooking.
And how would you describe your employers?
They are good to me, ma'am.
Is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
They are hardworking, can manage time, work under pressure, and a happy person.
And do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery before?
Yes, ma'am. I undergo surgery for my gallbladder for the gallstone for 13 years ago.
And can you guarantee to your future employer that you can do all the hard works?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so and why do you want to work abroad?
For the future of my children, can save money and build my own house.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song for baby or kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please proceed.
5 fingers. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do we do?
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am. I will focus my work.
And would you like to work with an employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly also?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you have full consent of your husband to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employers.
Hi, ma'am and sir. Good morning. As you select me as a domestic helper, they are hardworking, honest, and responsible person. Thank you, and God bless you, ma'am and sir.
And can you guarantee to your future employer that you can take care and love their children like your own children?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can serve their family with all your heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all today and thank you for coming.